First person to finish 10 fufu. That's the content for today.
This one is doing shakara in loy loy. The other one,
You see, it's one F. Going to two F's. No, one F is one fufu. Two F's is two fufu.
please for the 3 seconds. They are still on one loy loy.
No, no, no.
Guys, I'm not ready
She's
for
still
the
on
competition.
one F's.
One loy loy.
Keeping the nylon, that nylon is what we use.
The nylon is your evidence. Oh.
Nylon is the evidence.
The loy loy.
See who won the competition.
See who
People
go-
dey chop
1
one.
minute remaining. 1 minute remaining. According to how many loy loy that you finish? According to how many loy loy that you finish?
She won't choke. She won't choke.
You choke.
No choke, I beg go.
When you choke, you are choked already.
Hospital foul. Hospital foul, I beg go.
Half, 1.5 is 750.
Up leper. You don't bring lights.
500.
They dey shovel food, they bring lights. Easy.
It's a sign.
It's a sign of good thing.
It's still going.
How many minutes
How
remaining?
many minutes remaining?
It's still going.
Remaining 30 seconds.
Okay, remaining some 20 seconds.
Still
Going.
When you hear stop, you stop. Oh.
15
They are both on two F's. They are both on two F's. Two fufu. Going down to three F's. Three fufu. I want to chop. Oh. No go choke. Oh.
Stop.
They don't finish. Only one.
No.
Go back.
Can't you go back, Joe?
Stop.
Keep it.
Stop.
Drink water. No choke.
Why you no go drink water? Who tell you no drink water?
Okay.
Drink water.
Ona see they eat meat.
Even if you are not team on the job, you don't chop.
Oga, Ona
They are
no
still
chop.
fighting. Oh. Fighting for food again for food competition. They are still fighting. Now wow.
Ona don already. Two of Ona don fail.
Let us say.
They don't want to stop for God. That's like food. What's going on?
Yeah, man. Are you going to leave this one?
Eat your own.
Supposed to.
Your own.
I'm going. How they eat it?
But they're not supposed. No. Chidera, keep that food. Chidera, keep it.
No,
No.
Or with mobile app. Because
Oh, they're not,
there
they're
were.
not supposed to eat their meat.
Lie.
Because you're supposed to eat
Yes,
your
I
meat.
did.
with your-
You don't cut.
Clear.
Fufu is walking.